day. I don't know if you can tell. I can tell. I can't breathe. My allergies are really bad today.
Yeah. Are you gonna be okay, Mococo-chan?
My whole face hurts. I'm taking a lot of allergy medicine because recently it's been tough. But it's okay. I don't know why. I feel like whenever we play Sakura Wars, it ends up like this.
Right? I feel like this happens quite a bit.
I don't know why.
Sneezy Sakura Wars. I don't know. Maybe it might not be that sneezy though because he took a bunch of medicine, right?
I don't know, but the sneezes, they haven't been normal sneezes. They're like super impact.
Yeah. I don't remember when I woke up. All I heard was your sneezing. Impact sneezes.
Painful sneezes.
So one of those days.
One of those days.
A few minutes later.
What? What?
Mococo-chan's the one with allergies, yet I'm the one that first sneezed.
I want to sneeze so that I can breathe again, okay?
Bye-bye.